Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So, today, new project. My MSD Digital 6 Plus box. And I'm just getting started, but I'm not going to do any time lapse this time or make this a long video. I'm just going to kind of hop in step by step and show you what I'm doing. Right now I'm mounting it. I've got one screw in there. Probably going to leave one screw in there for now just to test it. It is not brand new, it's used. Doesn't look like it's ever been hooked up before, but I didn't buy it brand new, so we'll see. It was actually given to me. You know how that goes. The last thing I'm going to do is just hook the power up to it. I'm going to go ahead and wire it up to the coil using factory Ford coil, factory Ford distributor. Coils up under the turbo. Yeah, here we go. Alright, it's been like an hour. I think it's hooked up right. Got it right here. I got a bunch of wire nests going on, but we about to try to fire it up and see what happens. Alright. Holy crap. Can't believe it even cranked. My wiring jobs aren't the greatest, but buy these ebayturbos. Buy a good turbo. Guys, a couple hours later, put a new starter solenoid on. Went to go test drive with a new box here, and this just broke in half on me. Yeah, so I just got done replacing that. Now I'm about to start it up to see if it'll start again. I've got power going to the box here. Fuel pump, heard it come on. I'm about to bump the starter button and make sure I don't have anything backwards. Probably me, you know. Oh, shit. Alright, we're back. Got to go for a test drive. Better get warmed up here. I need an EGR if anybody wants to buy me that plug to turn my check engine light off. I can't afford it. Well, the MSD box was a bust. I test drove it last night for about 10 minutes. I was getting to the area that I wanted to do my test pulls on, and before I even got there, the car just shut down. Lost spark completely, and it was running fine for the first 15-20 minutes. So it's Sunday today. I'm gonna call MSD tomorrow and see about what they think, or I'm probably gonna have to send it in and get it fixed, is what I'm figuring. So I plugged the factory ignition back up and it cranked right back up, and I got home. It left me on the side of the road. So yeah, nice pretty $500 MSD 6 Plus box. Lasted a whole 20 minutes, and then just quit firing my coil. So at first I thought I burned up the coil because of the hot spark in the factory coil, but there's the instructions in the manual to hook it up to a factory Ford coil, so that's what I did. And yeah, no good, no good. Oh, you see my roof repair? It's not working. It's leaking right now. I'm moving out soon. My landlord won't fix anything, so did the best I could with what I had to work with. I'm about to pull a spark plug now. I've been playing with the fuel pressure. Whenever I put the new injectors in, I left the fuel pressure up to like 55 base, and it was way too much. On my Instagram, there's a picture of a solid black sooty spark plug on there. And then my dad's recommendation was to just put it back at stock fuel pressure with the bigger injectors and see how that turned out. But the last time I pulled a plug on that, it was snow white. So I raised it up a little bit more, and I haven't pulled a plug since. I'm about to do that right now, and I'll put that in the video and see how that one looks. I'd say it's a little too lean still. But it's weird, whenever I first crank it up, it spits and blubbers and does all kind of weird crap until it warms up, and it runs. It doesn't run worth the crap, actually. It only likes the interstate. The best I can say for it is once you're doing 60 miles an hour and then you floorboard it, then it does okay. Maybe if I could figure this fuel problem out, that'll help. It's raining right now, so can't go beat on it, but I'm about to raise the fuel pressure up and re-get the spark plug. Too close. That looks a little better, huh?